Foldables are cool, right? But what if I told you there's a phone out there that triples the folding action? Yep, Huawei just took foldable phones to a whole new level with the Mate X-T Ultimate design. We're talking about the world's first triple screen phone, but wait, is it just a gimmick? Or is it about to blow every other foldable out of the water? Let's find out. And trust me, this phone makes Apple's revolutionary one-button iPhone 16 Pro Max look like a dinosaur. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Alright, so Huawei has officially launched the Mate X-T Ultimate design in China, and it's already got everyone's attention. Why? Because this thing isn't just another foldable, it's a triple folding, triple screen monster. Yeah, you heard that right. 3 screens. I can't help but laugh when I think about Apple flexing their new iPhone 16 Pro Max with one button. I mean, come on, Apple, one button? Meanwhile, Huawei's over here folding screens like origami, and it's blowing our minds. Let's talk about the Mate X-T's design first. This phone is insanely slim when it's fully unfolded, only 3.6 millimeters thick. Just to give you some context, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which people were losing their minds over, is 5.1 millimeters when unfolded. The Mate X-T makes that look like a brick. But here's where it gets even crazier. When you fold it up, it's still only 12.8 millimeters thick. Okay, yes, it's slightly thicker than the Pixel's 10.1 millimeters and Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 at 12.1 millimeters. But come on, we're dealing with 3 screens here. That's like having an entire tablet folded into your pocket. Now, let's get into what really makes this phone stand out, the multitasking. Several hands-on reviews, like the one from Gizmochina, show that you can run multiple apps at once on this thing and even resize them however you want. You can literally have 3 apps open at the same time, customize the layout, and swipe between them like a digital ninja. Talk about productivity. I'm over here imagining editing videos, checking emails, and watching Netflix all at once. It's multitasking goals. Oh, and Huawei didn't forget the accessories. The Mate X-T comes with a specialized phone case that not only protects it when it's folded, but also acts as a stand. So, whether you've got it folded or fully opened, you can prop it up for hands-free use. Seriously, Apple, you gave us one button and Huawei gave us a phone that folds 3 ways and comes with a stand. Priorities, am I right? But okay, let's be real for a second. No tech is perfect, and the Mate X-T does have one potential issue, the creases. Yep, those dreaded display creases. Some unboxing videos and reviews, like the one from Android Authority, show that the hinges where the phone folds have pretty visible creases under certain lighting and angles. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're the kind of person who can't stand any imperfections, this might bug you. Still, when you're looking at the display head-on, the creases pretty much disappear, Tom, so it's not like they're always in your face. Another thing to mention, some users noticed a tiny loading wheel when switching from single to dual screen mode, but honestly, it's super brief. The display is still responsive, and the transitions between horizontal and vertical modes seem smooth enough to me. So, is the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate design living up to the hype? I mean, we're talking about the world's first triple folding phone. It's pushing boundaries, to say the least. Sure, there are some minor quirks, like the visible creases, but come on, this is cutting-edge tech we're talking about. While Apple is trimming down to one button, Huawei's out here adding 3 screens. But what do you think? Are foldables the future, or are they still just a flashy gimmick? Would you trade in your current phone for the Mate X-T, or are the creases a deal breaker for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more tech reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about how many buttons your phone has. It's how many times it can fold.